Hello, so I'm going to be opening this Unified Minds 3-pack blister, which comes with a promo and a coin. I'm also going to be opening this Vivid Voltage blister, just because it's going to be a short video if I just do the 3 packs, and see if I can add a bit of time onto the video for the YouTube algorithm. Just kidding, just because I thought I don't want to have a super short video. So just get into this blister here. Okay, so we have 3 packs and the coin. I'll just pop this out here. And we have a look at the promo cards as well. Put that off to the side there. So I'll start off with the code. And take a look at the coin and the promo, the stakataka. I can't pronounce that. And okay, so we'll open up these packs. I try to keep some of them intact, as I always like to do. So we have a code card, and I'm pretty sure it should just be free, and an energy card for this set. Yeah, looks like it is. So we are starting off with Unidentified Fossil, a Tornados, a Swadloon, Rainy, Litwick, Cubone, Yanma, Young Goose, looking very happy, a reverse Meloetta rather, and a non-rare Anmungus. Just put that off to the side here. This table's a bit messy. Sorry about knocking the camera there. And we will open up this pack. And hope to keep it quite somewhat intact because it has quite nice looking art. Just pull this out. So we have the code and do the free to the front, the energy, psychic energy, and we're starting off with Vigoroth, Unidentified Fossil, Tornados, Bidoof, Skorupi, Wimpod, Noibat, Sneasel, a reverse it's a reverse Druddigon, and a a hollow Chandelure. So a final pack for the Unidentified Minds blister. This isn't a set that I'm very knowledgeable of. I don't know many of the cards I can pull from here because it's before I started collecting even. At least picked back up collecting. So not too sure what is the best pull I can get. So we have the code, and just do 3 to the front, the energy, fire energy, and we're starting off with Eligiam, a Payukumuko. I can't pronounce half of these Pokemon. You have Vigoroth, Dupida, a Drudrigon, Cottony. This is quite a nice looking card actually. And we have a Formantis, a Swaddle, a reverse Axu, and looks like we have a normal rare Driftblow. That's quite a nice looking card with the background with Raichu. So yeah, we'll have a look at the Vivid Voltage Blister now. Again, this comes with a promo card and a coin, but this one is only the single pack Blister. I thought I'd pick these up just because I wanted to complete the set of promos that Vivid Voltage has. I've got Scorbunny, Sobble, and Grookey now, so that's sorry, one alarm was going off there. See if the recording's done. Yeah. Oh yeah, let's check out the coin. So here's the coin, and we'll have a look at the promo card. I think this is my favourite out of the lot. It has a more interesting background. I like the fruit and vegetable that is probably spun out from a cart or something there. And Grookey looks like he's in shock. So we also have a code card here, and then it's just the pack. The Gigantamax 50 on the front. Just tear it open. We've already got this pack intact. So we have a look at the code if anyone wants to redeem that, and we'll do free and the energy, electric energy. So starting off with Moo Cheese, a Duot, Fred Fawn, Inkada, Whismur, a Drillbur, Wilma, Cottony, a reverse Joltik, and a Hollow Duraludon. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Do stay tuned for some more content. I do upload once on Wednesday and another time on Saturday, so 2 per week. Yeah, so thank you very much for watching. Bye.